Did my solar panels actually pay off after 1 year in Ireland? Today I'm going to show you the real numbers from 2025. Hello everyone, welcome back after a longer break. Today I would like to show you a summary of my solar production for the year 2025 and how much electricity my system generated during that time. The inverter from Sigum makes it very easy to generate reports, and the mobile application is very intuitive to use. As you can see in the report for the whole year, the solar panels generated over 5,300 kilowatt hours of electricity. This actually exceeded my annual electricity consumption, which was around 4,700 kilowatt hours, even though during the summer period, the water in the house was heated electrically. You can also notice this in the table showing the energy exported to the grid. During the summer months, paradoxically, I sold less electricity to the grid than during the heating season because more of the electricity was used directly in the house. With an electricity price of 21 cents per kilowatt hour, this means the total value of the electricity generated was over 1,100 euros. I was able to get this price because I managed to find a relatively cheap electricity supplier. I know people who were paying much more per kilowatt hour, so in their case, the total revenue or savings would be even higher. To summarize, this shows that in Ireland, with 12 solar panels facing south, it is possible to generate roughly the same amount of electricity as a household consumes over a year. If I had a bigger roof and could install 3 additional panels, I believe I would be able to cover not only the electricity usage, but also the standing charges for the electricity meter. Please leave a comment and let me know how it looks in your case, and also write which country you are watching from. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.